On the field, every move counts. But off the field, it's your presence that should leave a lasting impression. In every movement, there's a fragrance for the champion within. The scent of the day is like a new beginning, refreshing and full of promise. It sets the tone of what lies ahead. For the moments of pure dominance, unleash the alpha within. For the moments that matter the most, my scent should be as unforgettable as the night itself. When the party begins, it's not about stealing the spotlight. It's about never going unnoticed. Halo, a signature collection by Metaman.